My name is Ranjini Chaudhary, playing the role of data scientist for my first internship task of Sparks Foundation. Here is the code of my first task. Now let's boil down to the insights gathered from this data analysis. The task was about student score prediction. So the objective was to predict the percentage of a student if he or she studies for 9.25 hours per day. Moving ahead to the agenda of the project, first we will see what relation does number of study hours has with the score. Then we will see the model used for the prediction and how good is the model used for the prediction. Finally, we will predict the score of a student who studies for 9.25 hours per day. Moving forward to the relation between hours and scores. From the data analysis, we have come to the conclusion that there exists linear positive relation between the number of hours and scores. The following graph shows the linear nature of the relationship. It not only shows a linear relationship but a strong positive correlation between hours and scores variable. That is, with increase in number of hours, the number of scores increases. Moving forward to the machine learning model and its evaluation. By machine learning, we have derived the following model, that is scores equal to 1.5 plus 9.87 into hours. Now we'll check how good is this model for prediction by using its training and test data sets. These are the graphs derived from the training and the test data sets. By comparing both the graphs, we can see that both are of linear nature, which is a good sign for a good predictor. Now, as test data sets are used for prediction, we'll observe the test graph. From the test graph, we can observe that the scores predicted by the hours are similar to that of the training data set, which shows that this model is the best predictor of scores. Now let's come down to the prediction. By using the following ML model, which is the best model as we have concluded in the previous slide, that is scores equal to 1.5 plus 9.87 into hours, we have got the prediction of 92.81 score for 9.25 hours. So that covers our objective. So finally we come to the conclusion that there exists linear relationship between the number of hours the student studies and the percent he or she scores. Also, using the linear model, we could predict that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, he or she scores 92.81%. So the second point covers our objective. With that note, I would like to end this presentation. Thank you.